Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80092004, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the only resolution. So I checked for solutions online. Obviously the issue was with the cache and all, but it is seemingly very difficult to resolve, and the reason is that a lot of websites are not a lot of forums are not showing any replies for it. So I have one short solution, and that is to reset Windows Update components. I have a script. You can copy and paste it in the command prompt window. It will stop all the services, delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders, re-register DLLs, then reset the WinSock, and then restart the services. Search for command prompt, click on run as administrator, and then paste all of these here. Right click on this and then select close all windows. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.